Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang South Sudan kontra sa China 89-69. Pinangunahan ni Carlik Jones ang South Sudan sa kanyang 21 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists. Si Kyle Lee ng China nag-ambag ng 22 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, 1 block. Tinalo naman ng Cape Verde ang Venezuela 81-75. Nagtala ng 22 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist si Biteno Gomez ng Cape Verde. Habang si David Cobella ng Venezuela nakapagtala ng 15 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists. Panalo naman ng New Zealand kontra sa Jordan 95-87. Top performer si Isaiah Aliafa ng New Zealand matapos humakot ng 23 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals. Nakapagtala ng 39 points, 9 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals si Rondy Hollis Jefferson ng Jordan. Panalo naman ng Ivory Coast kontra sa Iran 71-69. Si Nesri Zozoa ang top performer para sa Ivory Coast matapos nagtala ng 17 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal. Habang si Binham Yakali ng Iran ang nakapag-ambag ng 19 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Slovenia kontra sa Georgia 88-67. Humakot ng 34 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists, 3 steals si Luka Doncic ng Slovenia. Tinalo naman ng Serbia ang Puerto Rico 94-77. Parehong may tig 17 points sina Nikola Hubic at Bogdan Bogdanovic ng Serbia. Nakapagtala naman ng 14 points, 1 assist, 1 steal si Isaiah Pinero ng Puerto Rico. Tinambakan naman ng USA ang Greece 109-81. Pinangunahan ni Austin Reeves ang USA sa kanyang 15 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals. Habang si Georgios Papagiannis ng Greece ang nagtala ng 17 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block. Wagi din ng Spain kontra sa bansang Brazil 96-78. Pinangunahan ni Santiago Aldama ang Spain sa kanyang 15 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal. Habang si Bruno Caboclo ng Brazil ang nagtala ng 15 points, 11 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA World Cup 2023 as of August 28, 2023. Sa Group A, Dominican Republic 2 wins 0 loss, Italy 1 win 1 loss, Angola 1 win 1 loss, Gilas Pilipinas 0 win 2 losses. Group B, Serbia 2 wins 0 loss, Puerto Rico 1 win 1 loss, South Sudan 1 win 1 loss, China 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group C, USA 2 wins 0 loss, Greece 1 win 1 loss, New Zealand 1 win 1 loss, Jordan 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group D, Lithuania 2 wins 0 loss, Montenegro 2 wins 0 loss, Mexico 0 win 2 losses, Egypt 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group E, Germany 2 wins 0 loss, Australia 1 win 1 loss, Japan 1 win 1 loss, Finland 0 win 2 losses. Group F, Slovenia 2 win 0 loss, Georgia 1 win 1 loss, Cape Verde 1 win 1 loss, Venezuela 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group G naman, Spain 2 win 0 loss, Brazil 1 win 1 loss, Ivory Coast 1 win 1 loss, Iran 0 win 2 losses. Sa Group H, Latvia 2 win 0 loss, Canada 2 win 0 loss, France 0 win 2 losses, Lebanon 0 win 2 losses. Heto ang mga laro ng FIBA World Cup 2023 ngayong August 29, 2023. Maglalaban ng Germany at Finland alas 3:30 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Okinawa Arena, Japan. Maghaharap naman ng Angola at Dominican Republic alas 4 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum, Philippines. Kakalabanin naman ng Egypt ang Mexico alas 4:45 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena, Philippines. Maglalaban naman ng Lebanon kontra sa France alas 5:45 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Indonesia Arena. Maghaharap naman ng Australia at Japan ganap na alas 7:10 ng gabi, nagaganapin sa Okinawa Arena, Japan. Maghaharap naman ng Gilas Pilipinas at Italy alas 8 ng gabi, nagaganapin sa Araneta Coliseum, Philippines. Maglalaban naman ng Montenegro at Lithuania alas 8:30 ng gabi, nagaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena, Philippines. Maghaharap naman ng Canada at Latvia alas 9:30 ng gabi sa Indonesia Arena. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.